Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. They lived in Germany blank near 2 years for since. What's the right answer? So remember guys, for is followed by a period of time. Period of time. How long? We say the number of days. We say the number of days here. 5 days. 6 months. 10 years. And since comes before the starting point. When. So here we say the name of the days, months, or years. Since 2020. Okay. Name of the days, months, and year since 2020, for example. So here we have 2 years. The keyword is 2 years. So you are telling the number of the years. So we use here for. For they lived in Germany for nearly 2 years. Next, blank is the movie. How long? How often? What's the right answer? Listen, guys, we use how long when we are talking about the duration. Alright? And we use often, how often, when we are talking about the frequency. So here we are talking about the duration. Maybe it will take 2 hours. So how long is the right answer? How long is the movie? Blank, do you go to the mall? How long? How often? So guys, you do this one and let me know in the comments. Please do subscribe.